We're at a really unique time in healthcare right now with the advances in genomic science. For less than the cost of an MRI, we can now generate a whole genome sequence on an individual that 10 years ago was something that cost billions of dollars to do. What we do at Coriell Life Sciences is to bridge the gap between the science of generating this genomic information and actually bringing that into the physician's hands in a way that's meaningful and human readable. We can now use that information to help to direct care for an individual by using that genetic information to see what drugs might cause adverse reactions.
To be able to really take that scale and scope and make some sense of it, and to be able to utilize and leverage that in the course of clinical care is really a fascinating and promising development.
Our overall process has to include both the ingestion of new data as well as the production of that report. So we see a lot of benefit by using a business process management orchestration engine here, because there's so much variability in customers that we work with. And so rather than write big monolithic code, we can visually represent that and modularize the different tasks and components in a way where we can drag and drop those. So that ability to get visibility into the process itself, both what's in flight and how the process is configured, is extremely important. And that's something that BPM by IBM has made so very easy for us. The ability now to bring this whole BPM solution out as a managed hosted solution from IBM gives us a degree of flexibility and a speed to market that's really unmatched. Our process engine, all of our research materials, everything that we do algorithmically to produce these pharmacogenomic risks is now based in the cloud, and so can be delivered across any internet-connected device. So now for me, when I engage a new customer, they're up and running and receiving our product within a matter of weeks, which in previous lifetimes would be months worth of IT effort to get these systems interconnected and tested. We're bringing now the power of Watson to help a physician to model those medication regimens in real time. Watson becomes a service that can be invoked by our business process management layer. So at the time in which we need to go out and understand the risk for a given individual's genetics and a certain drug, Watson can be asked a series of questions to surface the information that might lead us to a confidence score around an adverse reaction or an efficacy level or so forth in real time.
It's almost as if we've been gifted the telescope, and we're starting to point those technologies at the most fascinating thing in the universe.
Genetic science is really just at the tip of the iceberg right now. So the next 10 years are going to be amazing with what we can use genetic information for, and we are so excited to be at the forefront of that. We have the scientific domain expertise, and IBM brings the trusted name, so it's a perfect partnership for us.